First of all, I would like to welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 13 for grade 2 mathematics. We were studying the topic skip counting. We have learned about the skip counting in ones, twos, threes, fives, tens, and hundreds. A quick revision for the skip counting, guys. Then we will come to the question number 4 exercises, exercise question number 4, and we will learn a new topic even in odd number as well. Skip counting, guys, in ones, twos, fives, tens, and hundreds. We are going to revise. So skip counting in ones is very easy because in this counting we are counting in ones. Let's suppose 1, 2, 3. What will come next? So what comes after 3? That is 4. So 4 is the number. Okay, here we are counting in the ones. This is the easiest example I give you. But you can see here 163, 164, 165. So the next number, what comes after 165, that will be 166. So here you count on in ones and you can find out the next number. This is the example of skip counting in ones. Then we studied about skip counting in twos. Skip counting in twos, guys. What is skip counting in twos? Skip counting in twos. In skip counting in twos, you will skip two numbers. I told you two methods to skip counting in twos. What you can do, guys, you can use your two fingers to skip counting twos, or you can draw two lines. I am using here two lines. Okay, let's suppose 2, 4, and 6. What will next? This is the easy example. Okay, so from 2, 3, 4, the next number. I will count from after 4, 5, and then 6. After 6, 7, and then 8. So after 6, 8. Then 9 and 10. 11 and 12. 13 and 14. This is how I can do it. Okay. So this is the easiest example for skipping counting in twos. But if I give you number like 120, 122, 124, what will come next? So 121, 122, you are skipping counting in twos. 123, 124, and for the next, what you will do? 125 and 126. So the next will be 126. So this is how you will count in twos. Okay. For coming to example of the book, guys, this we have to revise the pattern also. We learned yesterday that there are two, either they are in counting in twos, fours, or ones, whatever. We can count in ones or twos, or we can count back in ones or twos or fives, tens, whatever. Okay. So whether you are counting or you are counting back, how you will have to check? For this, I tell you, you have to check the sequence. If the sequence of the numbers is arranged from biggest to largest number, then you are counting back. If it is arranged from smallest to largest, like 2, 4, 6, and 8. If it is arranged from smallest to largest, that means you are just counting. Like here, 163, 164, 165. You are simply counting. Okay. Moving from smallest to biggest. In that way, you are counting. But if you are counting, if you are going back, like if it started from 8, then 6, then 4. So you are going from biggest to smallest number. That means you are going back. You are counting back. Okay. If I give you the example for counting or counting back, look, 1, 2, 3, comma dash, or 4, comma 3, comma 2, comma dash. Okay. So this is a simple counting in ones, and this is counting back in ones because you are going biggest to smallest. So whenever a series is arranged from biggest to smallest, in that case, you will identify the pattern that you are counting it back actually. Okay. So look here. This is 251, 249, and 247 and 245. Right. So I will use here two lines, but because we are counting back, so what comes before 251? That is 250. And what comes before 250? That is 249. Look here, this is 249. Then from after 249, what should we write here? Again, I will go back 248 and then 247. So 245, after 245, what should be written here? What comes before 245? That is 244 and that is 243. 243 is the answer. 243 is the answer. Okay. This is how you skip counting in. So here we are counting back in twos, so we can identify the pattern and we can say that in this pattern, we are counting back in twos to find the next number. Let's talk about counting in threes, guys. For counting in threes, you can use your three fingers or you can use three lines. So let's suppose 4, 7, 10, dash. What will come next? So this is 4, 5, 6, 7. You count 3 and you get next number, that is 7. Again you count 3, 8, 9, 10. You get again next number, that is 10. So in order to find out the next number, you will again count 3, 11, 12 and 13. So 13 is the next number. So this is the easy example. Here we will check the book example, guys. What is the book example? This is 306, 309. So 306, 307, 308 and 309. So we count threes, we get next number 309. After 309, what will come? 310, 311 and 312. So 312 is the answer. And because the series is arranged from smallest to biggest, so we are only counting on in threes. Clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
That's right. On page number 19, we discuss about the counting in fives. Counting in five is also very easy, guys. What you have to do, you can use your 5 fingers, open your 5 fingers, or you can also draw lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you can use any method to count in fives. Okay, I give you the easy examples. 5, 10, 15. What will come next? Okay, so look, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 5, when you count in fives, you get 10. Then again you count in fives, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now you get 15. Now, in order to find out the next number, you will again count in fives. After 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So you will get the answer, that is. So this is, you are counting in fives. Okay. So here, one more example, 455, 460, 465, 470. What you will do? First, you will check what is the pattern after 455. 456, 457, 458, 459, and 460. So you count in fives and you get the next number, right? Now you will check what is the next number after 470. For that, you will count after 470, 471, 472, 473, 474, and there should be one more number, that is 475. So the next number is 475 and you count on in fives. Okay. Now check out the book example, guys. This is 470, 465, 460 and 455. So this series is arranged from biggest to largest because 470 is bigger than 465. So now you will count back. You will check the number what is before. There are 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. I brought 5 lines now. Before 470, what comes? 469. Before 469, 468. 467, 466, and 465. So this is the next number. So that's mean you are counting back in fives. So in order to find out the number after 455, you will again count back in fives. Before 455, this is 454, 453, 452, 451, and 450. So the answer will be 450. This is skip counting in fives. Here you count back in fives. We discussed about the skip counting in tens, guys. This is very easy. This is very easy. When you skip counting in tens, what you have to do? Forget about the ones and forget about the hundreds. Focus on only tens. Look, 9595 is same in all the series. Just increase 1 on the tens. This is 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. So the next will be 9 and 5 will be same. And you will increase 1 on 3 and that will become 4. Then 9 and 5 will be same. After 4 what comes? 5. So 5 is on the tens place. This is how you can write the next number. So whenever you are counting in tens, so the ones will never change. The ones place will never change if you are counting in tens. 100 place can change only if you have 9 in the tens place. Let's suppose it is 995. Because 9 plus 1, 10. That's why it will change the place of this 100 as well. Otherwise, you don't need to change the 100 as well. From 1 to 9 numbers, you only have to change the tens place. You are counting by ones, change only the number which is on the tens place. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, this is 945, 955, 965, 975, 985, and so on. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Very good. And skip counting in hundreds. Skip counting in hundreds is very similar to skip counting in tens, guys. In skip counting in hundreds, because you are skip counting in hundreds, so you don't need to worry about the ones and the tens. You will have to concentrate only in hundreds. Because the ones and tens position will not change. Their numbers will not change. Look, this is also 40. This is also 40. This is also 40. All are 40. After 740, there will be 40 also on the ones and the tens place. 40, 40, 40, so on. But the number on the 100 will change and you will add 1 and write the hundreds. Like 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Like this. So 440, 540, 640, 740, 840, 940, and 1040, 1140, like this. Look at the example. This is 151, 251, 351, 451, 551, 651. So 51 are same in all the pattern. Only the number on the 100 is increased by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After that 751. Then 851. Then 951. In that way you can add hundreds. Is it clear, guys?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good. So guys, we completed question number 1, 2, 3 in the last class. The question number 1 is about what number that is 1 less than 259. So what number is exactly before 259? That is 258. Write the number that is 10 more than 621. So you can add 10 in 621 and you can find out, or I can add 10 by just adding 1 in 2. Other two will be same, 631. Okay, so the answer will be 631. So it's up to you. If you want to write the answer directly, you can write the answer directly. If you want to check by adding 10, so you can add 10 also. Question number 3 is write the number that comes between 511 and 513. So there are two ways to find the number between 511 and 513. First, check the number which comes after 511. that is 512. Or check the number which comes before 530, so that is also 512. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Now question number 4, guys. Question number 4. Question number 4 is saying what number comes next and describe the number pattern. So there are two parts in question number 4. The first part is that you have to identify the pattern. The first, you have to find out the missing number. Okay, what will come next? You have to find out this. And the second is you have to identify the pattern, that what you are counting on in. Okay, either you are counting on in ones, in twos, in threes, in fours, in fives. What? Okay, so we will do it, and you will help me to complete these questions. The first number is 815, then 816, then 817, then 818. What will come next, guys? In the chat box. 815, 816, 817, 818. What will come next? Sami Hijazi. Don't send useless message in the chat box. Very good, Yusuf. Very good, Suleiman. Very good, Muhammad Kashan, Muhammad Talha, Muhammad Majdi, Suleiman Tariq. 815, then 816, then 817, then 818. What will come next? Ahmad Al-Badi, wrong. Muhannad, very good. Umar Nizar, very good. Huzaifa Rashid, very good. Yusuf Hani, very good. Umar Mohsen, very good. Tamim, Abdul Moid, very good. Ahmad Al-Badi, very good. Umar Nizar, very good. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to open your mic and you will tell me. After 818, what you will write? 819. You will write 819. After 818, you will write 819. Okay. Here you count on. In this blank, you write count on. The second part is you have to identify the pattern. In this pattern, I count on in dash. Yes, guys, count on in dash. Count on in dash. Ones, twos, fours, fives, tens, 100. What? What you are counting on in? Muhammad Talha, very good. Abdul Muid, very good. Identify the pattern and tell me what to write. I count on in. Very good, Yusuf. Muhammad Kashan, very good. Suleiman Tariq, very good. But you have to write in alphabet. Muhammad Ali, very good. Ahmad Al-Badi, very good. Umar Nizar, very good. So you will write, I count on in O and E-S. I count on in ones. I count on in ones. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Now come to the second number. Second part, D. 320, 330, 340, 350. What will come next, guys? After 350, what will come next? Muhannad, very good. Ahmad Al-Badi, very good. Yusuf, very good. Muhammad Talha, very good. Muhammad Ali, very good. Suleiman Al-Ugeri, very good. Muhammad Kashan, very good. Abdul Muid, very good. Suleiman Tariq, very good. Umar Nizar, very good. Uzaifa Rashid, very good. Muhammad Mashti, very good. Three hundred and 340, 350, and then what? Yusuf Hani, very good. Umar Mohsen, very good. All right, guys, I'm going to open your mic and you will tell me. After 350, what should I write?
360.
Very good. It is 360. It is 360. Here I am counting on in dash. Yes, guys, counting on in dash. Muhammad Kashan, very good. Ahmad Al Badi, very good. Suleiman Tariq, very good. Abdul Muid, very good. Yusuf Hani, very good. Suleiman Al very good. Counting on in dash. Zafar Rashid, very good. Taim Allah, very good. Here I am counting on in dash. So look, guys, this is the pattern 320, 330, 340. So in this pattern, this 3 and this 0 is same. 3 and 0 same in all the numbers. Only the number that is changed is on the tens place. It is increased by 1. It was 2. Then 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. And 5 plus 1, 6. So you are actually count on in tens here. So you will write tens. T E N and S. Is it clear, guys?
Yes,
That's very good. Now we will come to C. 693, 696, 699, and 702. What will come next, guys? After 702. Very good. Yusuf, 705 is okay, but this is not once. Okay. Muhammad Kashan, very good. Muhammad Talha, very good. Ahmad Al Badi, very good. Huzaifa Rashid, no. Check again. Yusuf Hani, very good. Abdul Muid, very good. Suleiman Lugeri, very good. Umar Nizar, very good. Muhammad Ali, very good. Suleiman Tariq, very good. I'm going to open your mic and you will tell me, guys. After 702, what I will write, guys?
705.
You guys are saying that I should write 705. Okay, let me check. First I write, as you said, that it should be 705. Now I will check, guys. I don't know what the pattern is. I will check the pattern by drawing line. This is 693. I will start counting after 693. And see that after counting how many numbers I reach to 696. 693, after 693, 694, 695, 696. So guys, I count up to 3s and I reach 696. Again, I will check 697, 698, 699. So again, I reach 699. So that's mean in this pattern, we are counting in threes, counting in threes. So in order to find out next number, I will count after 702. 703, 704, and 705. So this is the correct answer, 705. So here I am counting on in yes guys. Very good, Abdul Mohit, Muhammad Kashan. Here we are counting on in Muhammad Talha, very good. Ahmad Al Badi, very good. We are counting on in ones, twos, threes, fours, fives, hundreds. What? Ahmad Al Badi, very good. Muhammad Al Mas, very good. Suleiman Al Ugeli, no. Suleiman Tariq, very good. I'm going to open your mic and you will tell me. Yes, guys, here we are counting on in. We are counting on in threes. So we will write T H R E E S. This is the answer. I count on in threes. Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
That's very good. Now we need to identify the next pattern. What pattern is that? 285, then 290. So for that, again, I am going to take help with the lines. I will start counting after 285, 286, 287, 288, 289, 290. So I reach 290. After counting how many? After drawing how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's mean we are counting on in fives. So after 300, I will count on in fives again. 301, 302, 303, 304, and 305. So the answer is 305. Answer is 305. In the chat box, I received answer from Yusuf, Muhammad, Umar, Uzaifa, Muhammad Talha. Very good. Ahmad Al Badi. Umar Amin. Don't send me useless messages in the chat box, okay? Otherwise, those students who are sending me useless messages, I will write their names in the page and I will cut their marks, classwork marks, that they are disturbing the class. Okay, guys. So in this pattern, we are counting on in dash. Yes, guys, counting on in
5.
5. 5. We are counting on in 5s. So I will write here we are counting on in F I V E S. We are counting on it 5s. This is the answer, guys. Is it clear?
Yes.
That's very good. The next topic is, guys, this is even number and odd number. Even number and odd number. First I am reading this, then I will explain you. Let us look at this number pattern. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. They are also double of the numbers. Like 2 is the double of 1, 4 is the double of 2, 6 is the double of 3. These type of numbers are called even numbers. Look at this number pattern. The numbers in the pattern are even numbers and also the double of the numbers. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Compare the number patterns on page number 21. What do you notice about the digits in the ones place? 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 122, 124, 126, 128 and 130. So the digits in the ones place are same in both number patterns. When a number has the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the ones place, so you can say that number is even. So guys, what are the even numbers? Even numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 2, or you can say which comes in the table of 2. The numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers. Okay. So how can you identify a number that the number is even or odd? So the easy way to identify the number is even or odd is to check the last digit of any number. Let's suppose I write here 144. And I ask you, check please whether it is a even number or odd number. So don't need to check the number on the tens place and on the hundred place. Just check the number which is on the ones place. If it is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. If it is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then it is even number. How you will identify whether it is a even number or not? You will check out the ones place. If the on the ones place the number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, that's mean the net number is even number. Or I can also say if the last digit of the number or of any number is divisible by 2, comes in the table of 2, that's mean that number is even number. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Very good. And on the other hand, if I say the last digit of any number is either 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. What I'm saying, if the last digit of any number is 3, 5, 7, 9 or 1, then we will say that this is not even number, this is odd number. This is odd number. So guys, in the counting, I'm going to write even number and odd number for you. Look, I'm going to write even number from red marker, red pointer. This is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. And this is odd number 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So those numbers come in the table of 2 like this. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. They are even numbers, and those numbers which are not divisible by 2, which doesn't come in the table of 2, they are odd numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So what are odd numbers, guys? Odd numbers are the numbers which doesn't come in the table of 2 or which are not divisible by 2. How to identify the odd number? Their last digit should be 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. So in order to identify whether a number is even or odd, what you need to check? You need to check the last digit of the number. If the last digit is divisible by 2, that's mean the number is even. If the last digit is not divisible by 2, that's mean the number is odd. Am I clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Now I give you the examples, guys. Let's take example 32. Now tell me please, 32 is an even number or odd number? Check out 32 and tell me, is it even number or odd number?
odd number, odd number, odd number.
Odd number. Odd number.
Very good, very good. Who is saying odd number? Yes.
Even.
Me.
Even.
Who me?
Even.
This is not odd number. I told you how to check even number or odd number. For that, you need to check the last digit. The last digit of this 32 is 2. 2 is divisible by 2. 2 comes in the table of 2. That's why 32 is even number. Okay? Because 2 is divisible by 2 or 2 is the last digit. That's why you will say 32 is even number. 32 is even number. If I say 33, check 33, whether it is a even number or odd number. So you will say that 33 is an odd number. Why odd number? Because the last digit of 33 is 3 and 3 doesn't come in the table of 2. So 33 is an odd number while 32 is an even number. Is it clear, guys?
Yes,
Oh, wow.
Very good. I give you one more example, guys. Let's suppose I write here 94. Now please tell me, 94 is the even number or odd number?
Even.
94 is even number. How do you know? Because in 94, the last digit is 4 and 4 comes in the table of 2. So 94 is even number. Or you also know that if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, so that also means that number is even. Okay, so 94 is even number. But if I write here 61, so 61 is an even number or odd number? Very good. This is odd number. This is odd number. So what you have to do, guys, practice. If the last digit is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, that number is odd. If the last digit of any number is 0, 2, 4 or 6 or 8, that's mean they are even number. So in the home, you have to ask your mother or your father, give me a number, and you have to identify whether a number is even or odd. We will do more practice for even numbers and odd numbers in the next class, guys. Okay. So until the next class, until then, take care. Bye bye. Our class time is finished. Inshallah, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye bye.